Hey everyone, welcome back. With tvOS 26, Apple is turning up the fun for karaoke lovers. The latest update introduces a brand new feature in Apple Music Sync that lets users transform their iPhone into a wireless microphone for karaoke sessions on Apple TV. Your voice is projected through your TV speakers, bringing an immersive party-ready experience right into your living room. The feature is limited to solo performers. Friends can join as well, using their iPhones to queue up songs or even send emoji reactions that appear on screen in real time. Dynamic lyrics sync perfectly with the music, and visual effects pulse to the rhythm, making the experience more engaging and interactive than ever before. tvOS 26 also brings expanded language and accessibility features to Apple Music Sync. Lyrics translation now supports several languages pairs, including English, Simplified Chinese, English Japanese, Korean Simplified Chinese, Korean English, Korean Japanese, and Spanish English. It's worth pointing out that to use the new sync features, you will need an iPhone 11 or later, paired with a third generation Apple TV 4K. tvOS 26 is currently in developer beta, with a public beta expected to arrive by next month.